Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a quick review of the GPUTEK electric bike pump. This is a Syco-list. Let's get on with it. So I've decided to give up on the UK weather, and next month I'm heading out to Tenerife for a 7-day training camp and taking my bike with me. But one of the issues I'm thinking about and trying to prepare for my journey is that when I arrive out in Tenerife and take my bike with me, I'm going to have to pump up my tyres. Yes, I could have taken some CO2 canisters or maybe a little hand pump, but I wanted to see what else was on the market. So I had a quick research, did a bit of finding on Amazon, and I've come up with this GPUTEK electric bike pump. So this electric bike pump itself is rechargeable, and I can take it on the flight with me out to Tenerife. Hopefully when I arrive at the villa and set the bike up, I'll be able to use it to inflate both my tyres up to the correct PSI before I take on those epic climbs around Mount Airy. Not used one of these before, so let's get into unpacking it. So here you go then, let's get it unboxed. Inside, the bike pump comes in this very handy black waterproof case, which keeps the pump and accessories available out on the bike if you decide to take it with you. Just inside here there is a little compartment which has a rechargeable cable and some other adapters if you require them for pumping up footballs, basketballs, and also car and bike tyres. So let's have a quick run through the device then. As you can see, compared to the size of my hand, it is fairly small. It is lightweight as well, with a LCD digital display. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds and the machine powers on. And then you have various settings. Currently, as you can see, the icon is showing a road bike, motorbike, custom, or mountain bike, displaying the PSI and the current pressure that's within the tyre. Obviously it's not fitted to a tyre at the moment, but as I'm a roadie, I'll be running my tubeless tyres at around about 80 PSI. So as you can see, it's quite easy and set up. Clear visible display, and when you pump up your tyre, this has an auto shut off, so it will stop putting pressure into your tyre when it reaches the set pressure you've chosen. Also on this one, it does have a light, and if you push it twice, it has an SOS as well. If you are stuck and it's dark, you can see what you're doing. All in all, fairly small, compact unit, which will pump up 6 bike tyres or road tyres with 1 full charge. So it's going to be ideal for when I arrive out in Tenerife to be able to pump up both my tyres, make sure they're up to pressure, and then when I'm out on the road, I'll take a normal pump with me as I do in the UK. But this is purely for me to get my tyres, once unloaded from its bike bag, up to pressure, ready for my 7 days training. And then once it's fitted, you have the tube here, which slots into the top. Screw that in place, and you're then ready to pump up your tyre. Pump up the tyre, one simple press turns the machine on, and one simple press turns the machine off. So there you have it, the GPUTEK bike pump. Let's take it over to the bike and put some air in those tyres. So here we have my Synchro's Capital One 50mm carbon wheel off of my road bike. Goodyear Eagle F1 tyre fitted, which is a 700 by 28 tyre. Run them at about 70 psi. So touch it over the valve like this. Once in place, start the inflating. So as you can see, we're nearly there now, nearly at the 70 psi. When it gets there, it should also cut off. There you go, tyre inflated. And then a simple undoing of the valve. No air lost and removed. There you go, 70 psi in this road tyre. Didn't take that long. The device isn't that hot to hold. It does have ventilation top and bottom, and as you saw, I had hold of it throughout the inflation. All in all, seems to be a good little device. It wasn't fully charged before I started this video. Obviously a full charge will do 6 road tyres. But in my impression, that's probably going to be ideal for me to take in my bike bag to Tenerife to pump up my road tyres when I arrive. I'll probably do the initial inflation with a hand pump to get some air in them, and then use this device to accurately get them up to 70 psi, which I'll be using when I'm out there. So there you go then, handy little bike pump from GPUTEK. Ideal for me to take away, pump up my bike tyres when I get to Tenerife. It does exactly what I need it to do. Next time I'll fully charge it though. If you've liked the video, then please do give the video a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.